Dreaming of moving abroad but overwhelmed by the process? You're not alone. Many people feel the same way, but the good news is it's entirely possible to make your dream a reality without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm Sudip and I created this channel to show you how you can navigate your journey abroad step by step without relying on expensive consultancies. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking for a fresh start, this channel is for you. From finding the right visa and understanding the application process to landing your dream job in a new country or choosing the perfect place to settle, I've got you covered. I'll help you explore different cities and neighborhoods to find the best fit for your lifestyle. I'll guide you to trustworthy resources, practical tips, and detailed guides and real-life success stories, all in one place. Hear from people who have successfully made the move and learn from their experiences. With the right guidance, you can achieve your dream of moving abroad while saving money, avoiding scams, and gaining independence. Learn how to budget effectively and make informed decisions. Why pay thousands to consultancies when you can do it yourself with the right tools and support? Empower yourself with knowledge and take control of your journey. Subscribe now and start your journey today. Don't miss out on the latest tips and updates. Moving abroad made simple. One step at a time. Let's make your dream a reality together.